This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little, I was about to call you drag kittens. My little drag kittens. Or my little dumpster fires. I don't know, insert fun, cute thing here. Hi, how are you? I am fantabulous. Why, you ask? Because today I get to play with the new Colourpop Grinch collection. And this kind of looks fun, some of it. The eyeshadow palette is still like not my favorite because I feel like they could have done more, but I digress. Anyway, we have all of this fun shit. Ooh, and we're just gonna break it down today, and I'm just gonna let you know, like, hey, is any of this shit worth it? Because we are in basically Christmas part 1 right now. There are a lot of brands coming out with holiday palettes, and you know, is this something that you should consider? I don't know. Let's go find out. In this collection, we have a lot of lip products. I know. I like their lip stuff, which is, I've come a long way, but I kind of was hoping more for like a blush moment. We didn't get that. Kind of surprised we didn't get that, but we did get highlighters though. So we're gonna play with some highlighters today. We have the palette, of course, and then I think 2 lip kits, some glosses, along with their shadow sticks. I think this is probably gonna be the only thing I don't talk about today, but I'll talk about it in a future video, only because I really wanna press my luck and use this green shade. Actually, these 2 specifically. Yeah. Oh, that's kind of fun. Ooh, okay. Okay, maybe I judged this a little too prematurely. Ooh. Ah, that could be kind of cute, right? Maybe we'll do that today. Maybe we'll just do like all shimmers. Yeah. World's our oyster today. That said, first and foremost, I want to say a very special thank you to Colourpop for sending this my way. Thank you so much, Daddy. I love your faces. You're sweet little angel pops, and I love you. I think the first thing I want to do is kind of play with the highlighters. Now I have to go to work today, so I think I'm gonna play with 2 different highlighters, but I'm gonna have to just do one eye look. I know, I have a staff meeting today. So boring. Ooh, these look promising. Oh yes. I love. They're Super Shock highlighters. I think they're so good. This one is called 2 sizes too small. Ooh. Okay, it's very pearly white. It has like maybe a twinge of champagne. Kind of. Oh, I was right. Yay. Okay. It is. It's like actually a light champagne, which I appreciate because sometimes champagne can be a little too yellow and it looks a little too jaundicey on me. This is actually kind of my perfect champagne. And then I just dump my whole finger in it, you dumb bitch. All right. That's what we're doing today. We have a pink one, which the pink one, bitch. Yeah, they're stunning. They're gorgeous. They are amazing. And I can't wait to rub this all over my body. Okay, so what we're going to do is on one side, we're going to do 2 sizes too small. On the other side, we're going to do 3 sizes. So let's do 2 sizes too small. I'm going to go in with a fan brush, but I kind of have a feeling. Nope, never mind. Okay. I was like, oh, maybe it's not coming up. Nope. Oh, ma'am. Ma'am. Oh, bitch. Okay. Listen, who gives a about anything else in this collection? That is stunning. Okay, let me take a different fan brush. Listen, ma'am. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's so wet and slutty. Oh, you know, I think we're just gonna end the video here. Yeah, we don't need to see anymore. Let's end on a high note. This is fucking great. 10 out of 10, no notes. Me up, Santa, okay? Me up. Let me just spray the shit out of my face with powder melt from one size. Hold on. Let that bitch marinate for a minute. And Mama's happy. Okay, Mama is happy. Oh, that's so good. That was everything that I wanted it to be. Oof. Okay. So, you know what? While I let my face marinate, why don't we do these lip kits? Or at the very least, try these glosses. So we have the Swirl Lip Gloss Kit. Love the packaging, super cute. I'm actually going to Orlando Informer and I'm excited because by the time we go, the whole area in Islands of Adventure is going to be like all Christmassy and like Christmas. Grinch mess and all that shit. So this is kind of like adorable. So It's very apropos for the season that we're in. So these are, do you have shade names? Fake Reindeer, Sweet Little Top. Yep, Sweet Little Top. Oh, Jesus Christ. The mean one. All right, let's go with the mean one because I am the mean one. Oh, I don't know why I sound like Wally. Oh, all right, hold on. Wrong franchise, bitch. Oh, I like this. I am not somebody that likes red. It scares me. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone. But this I could kind of get behind. Also, don't I look kind of sick? I put a little blush on my nose accidentally. I don't know what was going on. I was like channeling a wood nymph and whatever. Anyway, if you were curious, the blush that I used today is the Too Faced Holiday Palette. Again, beautiful product. I like this. I don't think I've ever said that to like a red color, but I think this is really pretty. I don't know. I turned over a new leaf today. I don't know what the f is going on with me, but I like this though. It's not too much. So if you were like me and you're like, ooh, I don't know if I could do red, I think that's like the perfect like jumping off point for introductions to red. Moving on to the pinky one. This is Sweet Little Tot. Oh, I feel like this is gonna be more my speed. Oh no, this is actually, I mean, yes, it is more my speed. Oh yeah, this is, oh yeah, bitch, okay. Because at first I was like, oh, where's the color? No, it's there. I'm just gonna build it up. Oh, this is, I love this. Oh, I love this. I was talking so much shit. No, this is good. Okay, this is really good. All right, I like that. Let's try the last one. This one looks more nude. Fake Reindeer. Oh, yo, these are perfect. What the fuck? Oh my God, I'm so sorry. It took me so long to play with this collection. To be fair, when I got it, I was in New York. But damn, this is worth the night. Oh, that's perfect. They have nice opacity. Granted, I can't comment about the wear of it or longevity, I meant to say. Sorry. I've been up since 3:30 in the morning and I'm filming this at 6:30. I couldn't sleep. I'm very anxious about moving. Anyway, I digress. But opacity wise, I think this is awesome and they feel comfortable on the lips. Oh, they feel so good. They feel like butter. Oh, I love this. Okay. I am a huge fan. So I think what I'm gonna do now, I think my face properly dried. Then we're gonna do an eye look and then we're gonna finish off with the last remaining lip kits. There's also this shit, Who Hash. Who Hash. And I'm gonna give this to my niece. It's body glitter gel. I'm gonna let her f up my brother and sister-in-law's house. So here's how the Grinch Stole Christmas palette. I mean, honestly, she's a pretty basic bitch palette. It's a pretty color story. I think what kind of throws me is I don't really see the link to Grinch other than like the two green colors. I feel like this color palette is kind of a mashup of Aspen Ovard because especially like these shades and I don't know, just the kind of overall feel of it is it's a little Aspen Ovard-y if you don't mind me saying, but I still think it's kind of pretty. Some of these shades are just really, really nice. And yeah, I mean, even they have like the pearlescent. You know what? Maybe I was kind of harsh about this palette because I like how this looks. I like how this looks. I don't know if I would necessarily call this a holiday palette. I think it's just like a good overall palette. The color story is, it's pretty. It's just not a Grinch palette in my opinion. I got this in the mail the other day. I'm gonna put this on. This is the Candy Cane lip mask. This is a really cute set. You have a lip mask, there's a lip scrub. Ooh, a little minty, a little zip on the butthole. I like that. You have a glossy lip balm. Very nice. Okay. Yeah, I think what I want to do is just basically this middle row right here. I just think it's so pretty. I think I'm going to have to go in with the shade Max. I'm going to put that all over the lid. I think that's my one complaint is I wish there was like a deeper brown shade because this is kind of coming off peach. I think this is gonna work good with the green, but I think had there been like a cool tone brown, I think it would have looked nicer. Maybe. You know what? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is actually exactly what I need. So I'm gonna go into the shade Roast Beef. Roast Beast. Okay. Oh yeah. Roast Beast. Or roast beef, whatever you want to call it. It's a nice shade to like blend out that. Okay, I like this. And you know, I wanted to use the green, but a part of me is like, do I dare? Maybe what I should do is one of the other shades, but no, we have to know what the green is. We have to. I feel like this is gonna be a very fast look because the shadows are applying very easily and very quickly, which I fucking appreciate right now, especially being up since 3:30 in the morning. My brain, bro. Not here, not here. Okay. So I'm just going to paint thy lid with some NYX glitter glue. And I think what I'm going to do is kind of start off with the darker green shade, which is Cuddly as a Cactus. And then we're going to put the lighter green shade on, which is Mr. Grinch. I'm going to put that more towards the inner corner. That's nice. I'm trying to be very gentle with it as well, because I do not want any fallout. But so far it's applying nicely. I'm gonna go in with that lighter shade. Ooh. Oh, I like that. That is kind of potent in like the best way possible. Again, I just wanna kind of baby it on. Oh yay, that's a Super Shock shadow. I love that. Has a little smushiness, but not like the Odin's Eye smushiness that I don't like. Dare I say, I feel like this one's just easier to work with, but I am gonna kind of go in that dark shade. Okay, I kind of love this. I think this looks super cute. Okay, I really think this is adorable. Oh, I love it. I love it. So I want to go in now to the shade. Oh my God, does this say stank? Oh, stink, stank, stunk. Oh, it's like skank. All right, this one. It's like a nice chocolate brown, a little bit of redness to it. I'm just gonna use that to line. Then I'm gonna go in with my Prada eyeliner. Kind of nice, like pop of brightness up in that bitch. And then I'm gonna go in again to that like dark brown shade and just kind of lightly run that color in the lower lash line. My thing is, I think I did not come out further. Hold on. Before I put on some mascara, I'm gonna go into that Mount Crumpet shade, and we're gonna pop that in the inner corner. Oh, that looks so fucking good. All right, I'm gonna have to try to replicate it on the other side. Hopefully it's not too bad. Anyway, let me do that and then let's move on to the lips. I love this, it looks so cute. Okay, so let's move on to the last two products, which are the lip duos. So let's go in with the berry one first. Take a little bit of that lip mask off. Now in these sets, you get a lip liner, a plumping lip liner, and a plumping gloss bomb. So this was in Santa's hat. Ah, very pretty berry color. Ooh, I don't hate this. I don't hate this. I don't hate this. I think this actually looks quite nice. Oh my God, what is going on with me? I never like with red, but this is kind of cute. This is kind of cute. I like it. All right, let's try the other one though. So I really want to see what Big Bow Small Who. Kind of want to see how that turns out. Okay, yeah, I really like this color and I could see myself actually using this a lot. I like Colourpop's lip liner formula. It's nice and creamy. And again, I'm someone that really likes the mechanical pencil. I do not like a sharpened pencil because it hurts because I'm sensitive. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. I am just shocked and flabbergasted. Oh my God, I'm so shocked. All right, hold on, let me fluff up my hair because although this was cute, I probably should just leave this on, but I won't. Although it'd be pretty awesome if I could wear that during my staff meeting. I love this. I think this whole collection is amazing. I'm shocked. I'm shocked as shit because I had a lot to say about it during my makeup bingo video, but I really like this. Obviously, the only things I really can't speak to are the shadow sticks and obviously the Who Hash because I'm not trying to put body glitter on, but the lip products, you know, I think the thing that kind of shocked me the most was all the lip products. The lip kits are wonderful, but I think the glosses are really special. I love all three colors. I'm actually really surprised how much I love the red one, which fucking I don't even know what to say right now. I think I'm just shocked. I am shocked, but I love them. I think they're super comfortable, very opaque. They were fun. Awesome. These little lip kits are super cute too. I didn't even mind the red berry one. I was like, oh, okay. Now I feel like I'm kind of like, okay, maybe I do like red. Shit. Like it's very nice. I love the eyeshadow palette. Of course, I didn't get to use every shade in here, but the few shades that I did use, oh my God, look how, that's the only thing I don't love about Super Shock shadows. They look so okay, there you go. You were embarrassing me in front of my friends. I like the palette. My only little complaint is that I don't really feel like this is the true color palette of the Grinch. I just don't see it. But if I just take that away, it's a very beautiful color story, and I see myself getting a lot of use out of it. I'm actually really excited about this. This and the Shrek palette have been wonderful. Although I would say the Shrek palette is definitely more in line with the movie, so it makes sense. This, not so much, but I still love the color story. So I think it's fabulous. I love the green. I love this little mutant witch thing that I'm giving you today. I think this is awesome. The highlighter, bitch, see? Less. I'm obsessed. Obsessed. This is a whole, like, an amazing collection. I know, I don't understand either. I don't understand either, but I love it, and I'm happy, and I kind of can't wait to go to work now. Why? Because people are probably gonna be like, oh my God, like, you're so pretty. I'm like, I know. I love compliments. Anyway, no, this was actually really a lot of fun. I am shocked to shit. Okay, Daddy, you did it again. You've been killing it. You've been crushing it, and I love you. Thank you. The other thing I got to use today too was the lip mask from their little candy cane collection. That was really fun. It kept my mouth very juicy, almost kind of watering a little bit. I was a little bit hungry. My stomach was growling. It was kind of weird. It kind of threw me for a second, but it was really fun though, and it kept my lips nice and supple, which is kind of amazing because I've had to take a fucking makeup remover wipe to my lips a bunch of times today, and now it still feels comfortable and adorable, and I love that. So yeah. Today is a great makeup day. Thanks, Colourpop. Now I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have any of this, and do you feel the same way, or are you like, no, bitch, I hate it? Let me know because I love hearing from you. And of course, again, thank you so much to Colourpop for sending this my way. I really appreciate it. And a huge thank you to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces, and I'll see you little garbage cans real soon. Bye.